Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how to make your data pop visually, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to create a 3D pie chart in Google Sheets. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll be able to turn a dull list of numbers into a dynamic, eye-catching chart that'll impress your team, your teacher, or really anyone you're sharing it with. So let's get started. First things first, you'll want to make sure your data is set up nice and clear in Google Sheets. Typically, this means having one column with your categories and another with the corresponding values. For example, you might have sales regions on the left and total sales on the right. The goal here is to make it easy for Google Sheets to understand what you want to show in your chart. Now, with your data laid out, the next step is to highlight the range you want to include in your pie chart. To do this, just click and drag your mouse over the cells or hold down Shift while clicking the first and last cells in your range. Take care to select both the labels and the values. This tells Google Sheets how to label each slice of your pie. If you only select the numbers, your chart will make less sense, kind of like baking a pie without any filling. Once everything is highlighted, we move on to the fun part, turning that data into a chart. Look up at the top menu and click on Insert, then select Chart. This is kind of like telling Google Sheets, hey, take this information and show it to me in a way that's easy to understand. You'll notice as soon as you do this, a default chart will probably pop up. It might be a bar chart or something else, depending on the data. But we want a pie chart, so in the chart editor that appears on the right, you'll see an option called Chart Type. Click on that and scroll down until you find Pie Chart. Give it a click. Instantly, your numbers will transform into a colorful pie with each slice representing a different category from your data. This gives you a whole new perspective, making it super easy to spot which sections dominate and which are just slivers of the overall picture. Now for the magic touch, transforming this regular pie chart into a 3D pie chart. Still in the chart editor, look for the section either called Customize or Chart Style. The exact wording can change, but the option is always there. You'll see a checkbox that says 3D. Once you tick this box, your pie chart will visually lift off the page. The shadows and depth effects add a sense of dimension and make your presentation or report look that much more professional. Think of it like taking your homemade pie and serving it on a fancy plate. Suddenly it just looks that much better. And that's it, you've just made a 3D pie chart in Google Sheets. Not only does it help your data stand out, but it can also make your findings clearer to anyone you're sharing with. Take a moment to double-check your chart, maybe adjust the colors or labels to fit your style, and you'll have a graphic that's both informative and visually appealing. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any other Google Sheets questions. I'm always happy to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.